Alright, air's out, balancing pieces are off. By supplying the lube, get it good and lubricated. That looks cool. Let's spread that. Bead axe, thump, off. Now it works the inside.
Almost think I've done this before.
Off the bead.
Oops.
Hey, easy on the sheet metal. That'll buff out. Tires off. Just like that.
Simple as pie.
Do a rim inspection. What are people looking for, Mike?
You want to kind of keep an eye on this edge here, down around here. Any of this dirt, you gotta get cleaned out and wiped up so she's nice and clean for the next one going on.
Make sure there's no sharp edge
Yeah,
to cut up the bead of the new tire.
No edges, no cracks. She's looking good.
What I like to hear.
Yep. Well, I've seen a couple where these edges were just about like razor blades, and they'll definitely take a chunk of a guy's finger pretty quick.
I've seen it a time or two.
Yes, isn't it pretty? Did I bring that tire in already?
Oh yeah, it's over here. Alright, just cleaned out the inside of the tire, got rid of all the moisture. Mike's lubing it up. Just a little bit of soapy water mix.
Great for finding leaks too.
Makes the tire slide on better. Helps the, if there's any left when we get to it, helps the bead the seat.
Yep.
There's half.
He's really hard in the knees after a while, that's for sure.
That is true.
It is the quickest way to put it on.
This powder balance comes with a little pouch of powder. Little beads.
Yep.
They float around in there and they go to the light spot and just balance out the tire dynamically as it's moving.
Yes'ums. That is why I have them in mind. I need you. I'm gonna drop them just a little bit. Where a nice little spoon bar comes in handy. I haven't got one, so I work with what I got.
That's right. Sorry, I'm not a tire shop.
Good thing Grant's dropped a half though. I never knows. The guy doesn't realize how much a sheep he gets until he stops doing this for a while.
Man, I'm getting winded just watching you. Don't do this to your high dollar show rig. You might scratch your rim. Seems how this truck works in the bush.
Should be able to stay around. Tell you the truth, as crazy as it sounds, I actually prefer doing wide base tires. That's even on a lot easier.
A little bit more to work with.
Yeah.
There, Mike's applying a rag to keep from scratching the rim too much. Slide the bar in there. Get over the lip and boom, put it into place. Unless I sticks it behind his shoulder there, hold it. Hold his third arm. It's using your head. Well, using your neck anyways.
Pretty much.
Works the bar in, works the bar in.
Got a little hungry that time. Should be able to. Bonk.
There it goes.
Mikey wins. Who's on a high
There you have
class
that.
show rig? I recommend doing it on an OTR machine.
Yeah. This is for
Redneck 101.
bush trucks only.
I wouldn't stand there. If this is gonna blow up, it's going to go this way, so you definitely don't want to be there.
All right, listen to the mic. That's like dinner. All that noise is the compressor. Good job, Mike.
What?
Thumbs up.